In this video right now, I'm going to show you how to make money using other people's YouTube videos, and this is called the PDF conversion strategy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this works, how to actually do it live, and tell you if it's actually worth doing or not right now. And to be completely transparent with you, the short answer is that yes, this is something that is absolutely worth doing. I've been selling digital products online for over 3 years now, and the results have been absolutely amazing, and it's changed my life for the better. And thanks to artificial intelligence, this is a lot easier to do now than it was when I first started, so you have the upper hand. So now let's hop onto my computer and go through the full strategy. So the opportunity here that I'm explaining today is how to actually turn free content on YouTube into a digital product, and this has never been easier thanks to AI. And the harsh reality is that most people consume free YouTube videos all the time, even myself included. I like to watch YouTube videos, especially when I'm eating. But people never ever really package that information and profit from it because they don't know how. But meanwhile, there's people like myself, people in my audience, people like you that turn these videos and content into paid digital products every single day and make money from it. So this is going to be the guide that actually shows you the exact AI method that I use to ethically turn free YouTube info into a sellable product step by step. And what you're going to learn is how to get AI to find viral topics that people want, and then how to actually turn that content into your own PDF product, and the actual AI tools I use, and how beginners can do this with $0 in product costs. And before we even get that far, let's just take a look at the facts here. The global digital product market is experiencing rapid growth right now, with various segments showing significant expansion. And market research reports that the estimated digital goods market to be valued at $124.32 billion in 2025 and is projected to reach $416.21 billion by 2030, which means that really you just need to get a small piece of the pie in order to experience real change in your life. The next fact is that YouTube is implementing right now stricter monetization policies to address what they call inauthentic AI-generated content, and this specifically applies to mass-produced and repetitive videos. So a lot of these faceless channels are not able to monetize anymore, which means that they have to adapt or else they will be left behind. And now what these channels are figuring out is that instead of just making money with YouTube monetization, AdSense, they can actually just sell their own digital products. Now, this crackdown is effective already right now, and it basically aims to remove monetization from channels that primarily rely on AI for content creation without adding significant human input or originality. So now let's get into the actual method here so you know how this works and can see it live in action. The first step is that we are going to use ChatGPT to find a viral how-to topic. So what we will do is just go to ChatGPT. I'm going to take this prompt right here, which is give me 10 viral how-to topics that people are searching for on YouTube. By the way, I'm going to put the doc link in the description, so that way you can actually look at this for yourself after you finish watching the video. And make sure if you get the doc for free, just to leave a like on this video, so that way I know that this was valuable for you. So the entire purpose of this prompt here is to find out what are some things that people are actively searching for on YouTube, and more specifically, things that solve problems. So example results could be things like how to get abs at home, or how to meal prep for weight loss, or how to fix your posture. And if we go back to ChatGPT right here, we could see here are how to use ChatGPT for YouTube, how to create YouTube shorts, how to start a faceless YouTube channel, how to market via UGC, a lot of different things. And I recommend going even deeper with this into a sub niche that you are more interested in. So let's say choose how-tos related to woodworking. Okay, we have 10 different results here. And now that brings me to step number 2, which is to actually search the topic on YouTube. And ideally what we're looking for is to find a video with high views over 50,000, one that has been uploaded in less than the last 12 months and has a simple beginner-friendly explanation. And usually I can find that just by seeing the view to like ratio. So if a video has 100,000 views and only 1,000 likes, then it's probably not a very valuable video. The audience didn't really like it too much. But if a video has 10,000 likes and 100,000 views, I would say, wow, that's a really good ratio. I'm going to choose this example right here, going to search this on YouTube. And then that brings me to step number 3, which is to actually transcribe this video with Tactic.io. So as of right now, this is a completely free resource. I'll put the link in the description so you can use it yourself. But what we'll do is go over here to YouTube, then you'll take the link for your video, you'll go here to Tactic.io, we'll click get video transcript. And next thing you know, you should have the entire transcript here on the right. So you can just click copy and then you are good to go. Which brings me to step number 4, which is to use AI to structure the product. So what we're going to do now is take this transcript, put it into ChatGPT, and we're going to use this prompt right here. So the first thing I'll do now is paste this entire transcript, then I'll add the prompt, hit enter, and now step number 5, we're actually going to make the PDF with Gamma AI. This used to be very convoluted. It used to be a complicated process, having to manually paste over text and write things. But now with this AI tool, it's very, very simple and should take you just a couple of minutes. By the way, guys, I don't know when you're watching this, but if you're watching this close to the time that I'm releasing it, I'm doing a free live training in just a few days. So I'll put the link in the description as well so you can register for free. I'll be going more in depth for about an hour on how I use AI to help me build digital products and how I went from 0 to 1K a day with this. So now all we need to do is go here and copy what we have from ChatGPT, go to paste in text. We'll paste the text here. And then what we'll do as well is go here to document, make sure this is selected as A4. Then we'll select generate from notes or an outline, continue to prompt editor. We can choose a theme here that we think will best apply to the niche of the product that we're choosing and the problem we're solving. So in this case, I'm gonna use this one. It's pretty simple. Click generate. And now we have the first draft of our PDF showing how to actually do DIY epoxy flooring. And as you can see, this editor actually includes good visuals that are probably things that you wouldn't even think of if you were doing this yourself manually. So something such as never let mixed products sit in buckets. And it explains it, has a little warning, has a visual here. Same thing for the actual images that are generated by AI, and it brings everything together. And that means now you're ready to sell. So you can sell a PDF like this either as an independent guide, either to add value to an existing offer. Maybe you sell a physical product in the fitness space, or maybe you just want to upsell this because you're already selling some type of digital product. And I'll give you a little tip here. If you already are in a niche selling a certain type of product, you can use this context template to get more advanced results. So when prompting and doing your viral how-to searches, what you can do is just explain here, what is my niche? What is my audience? Give me video topics that they're searching for so I can turn the free information into a paid product. And maybe it'll tell me, oh, your people are searching for how to find a product or how to build a store. And I can go and find videos that talk about that topic and follow this same exact process. Now, don't click off the video just yet because it's super important that you always pick topics with clear pain points. And really, don't overthink this because AI simplifies the process. You're not copying the video, you're restructuring public information into a new format. And most beginners never do this, so there's room for you. And this method works if you take action. AI can't build your product for you, but it removes 80% of the hard part. So if you want help in implementing this for yourself to start making an income, just shoot me a message on Instagram and we can talk. And if this video gets over 500 likes, then I'll make the next video showing you actually how to build a landing page for a how-to PDF. See you in the next one. Peace.